Hey, what's up everybody? It's Metro Guy 4949 back with another video, and today we are playing my own version of a Yu-Gi-Oh mod pack in Minecraft. Hello, yes, two of the best things ever created, Yu-Gi-Oh and Minecraft. Just yes, every day, every day. And so this is my server. It does run on Aternos, so we won't be dueling on the server, considering most duels would take equal to or more than 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes of being idle, which would be sitting down in the dueling table, you would eventually time out and wouldn't be able to finish the duel. So, until I can actually get my Nitro servers back up and running, I will be using Eternos, which is a little iffy, so I won't be doing that very much. But I will start recording for you guys more often than not. If I could, I would do it on Nitros, but I cannot, sadly. But there was a lot of people on when we first started building who helped with the building. The starter town over there, his name is NJ Wolf 3. He has his own Naruto server. Go check it out. He has a Discord link in my Discord, and I will link my Discord and his Discord in the description below. And then, yeah, if you want to join on the server, just put your IGN in the comments below, and we'll get you on the server, no problemo. And yeah, we'll point you to the Discord so you can get the mod and the mod packs. And if you have any questions about the installing or whatever, all you gotta do is ask me or someone on the Discord, which is Metro Hub, and we'll get you squared away. So we won't be dueling on the actual game itself in the dueling tables and with the actual physical cards in Minecraft. This is more of the physical aspect. So basically, what's going to happen is the cards you get and you buy and trade in Minecraft is going to be your cards. But we're not going to duel here. We're actually going to duel on a dueling nexus called Ignis or Edo Pro. It is like YUGIOH Pro, which is also a dueling nexus, which is like a simulator for dueling. It's all automated, so it'll do it for you, other than you having to make the choices of what to do. It'll just automatically do it, so you won't have to drag it and place it and stuff like that. Um, so we'll be doing that. If you have any questions about it, it's pretty simple. Just ask one of us about it. We'll tell you about it, no problem, and then you can start dueling, no problem. It is on peaceful, I think, so there's not going to be any monster spawning, thank God. But every Minecraft day, you'll get 1 to 9 credits. It's random. So you can use those to buy card binders, deck boxes. You can use them to buy packs and stuff. And we will add different packs as the series goes on. But until then, we will only be starting with the Saga of Blue Eyes from the year 2000. And then we'll work our way up after every tournament. We will be having tournaments. There is going to be also 3 major factions of dueling. There's going to be Fusion, Synchro, Xyz, and Ritual. I'm not really going to mess with the links and the pendulum too much. You can use them, obviously, it's just they're not a huge faction, so you'd probably want to stay in the somewhere around the starter town in just a random house of your own if you're just going to be a rogue duelist, which is what we're going to call them, I suppose. And yeah, so that's going to be I'm really pumped for this series. We're going to see how many people we can get on so we can duel, have tournaments, build giant cities and stuff. We could build New Domino City. We could build GX Academy. It's going to be awesome. So, yeah, if you want to get on, just leave your IGN in the comments below and we'll get you whitelisted and all that such. So let's go ahead and get at F5. As you can see, I already have a card binder. I already have a deck box with a deck in it. Now, keep in mind, you can only buy packs from the card shop that I built. And the cards you get out of those packs are the ones that you'll be using in your deck on the Edo Pro simulator. You will not be able to use any. You will be banned if you do. Or not more so banned, more like timed out until you like decide you're gonna act right. Otherwise, you won't be able to duel because there's no point in playing if you're not gonna follow the rules and have fun. So if you're going to, then just don't bother. So if the cards you get from the card shop and the packs and trading from other players is the cards you're going to use in the Nexus, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Nexus, you're going to search up the cards and put them in your deck. And then you're going to name that deck and then you're going to duel on there once we do that. Now for me, I'm going to have to switch over to a screen while I record, so it's going to be a little janky because I have not figured out the editing for this yet. And it's going to be pretty sick, I think. So I already got my daily credits from NJ over here. He is an NPC as well. I am also an NPC, funny enough, right here. I'll give you your first, I think I give you your first deck box or your first credits. Because I know you get a lot of credits to start out with. I think it's like, what is it? It's like 40 credits to start out with, maybe more. And then you talk to him and you get black. This is one Blackwing Dragon. He's also put his Discord or something, his YouTube channel in the link down below. And he will give you your deck box, which this is what it looks like. And you'll take your cards from your inventory and just put them in here. Now, you have to do a certain thing with the configs for the cards to show up in your inventory. It'll have to download it. And it won't do that for me, but it does show up right here in the top left. And you can read it and stuff, so it's going to be a little harder for us to do. You will have to turn off JEI and NEI to duel. Wait, no, never mind, scratch that. You won't have to do that since we're dueling on the Edo Pro Nexus. These are the rules for the server and the rules for dueling. Okay, no stealing, so no claiming cards that aren't yours, especially from the shop, because those are display only. We will play by the current rules, so like the current ban list and stuff like that. You draw on the first turn, so we're not doing like the old style Yu-Gi-Oh rules, even though we're starting with only the Saga of Blue Eyes. And there can only be 3 copies of a card, so you cannot have just a whole deck full of winged Karibos or such. And this is the banned and limited list. Pot of Greed is being able to be used. It is just limited to 1, and Heavy Storm is limited to 2. And this will be the leaderboard. It'll probably get much bigger as the series goes on. But it's really hard to tell what will happen in these types of series. So I got my credits. I got 10. I got enough for another pack. So right now I have Masaki, Enchanting Mermaid, Umi, Armored Starfish, Wasteland, Skull Redbird, the 13th Grave, Sandstone, Two Mouth Dark Ruler, Firegrass, Man-Eater, Misurasami, sure, that is how you pronounce that, Trap Hole, Dragon Capture Jar, Trial of Nightmare, Turtle Tiger, Mountain, Succubus Knight, Frenzied Panda, M Warrior number 1, Kagemashu of the Blue Flame, M Warrior 1, Dark World Thorns, Fiend Reflection number 2, Skull Servant, Petite Dragon, Mystical Elf, 2-pronged attack, Beaver Warrior, Celtic Guardian, 2-pronged attack, Fire Yarrow, Typhon, or Typhon, One-Eyed Shield Dragon, Sogan, Mammoth Graveyard, Kumu Toko, Mountain, Wing Karibo, Follow Wind, and Aquamador. Now, as far as the Wing Karibo goes, there are other NPCs on the server. This is just the deck box I was showing you. So if you get your credits right here, which are diamonds, you can find them in the Minecraft world itself. I don't really care. But come over to the starter town, which is also where the rogues live around here. They just can't build in the town. This right here, we have the, this is the dueling club. This is the bar/dueling club I own. This is where players can hang out and declare duels and stuff, and people can go and watch, and they'll give them a link to it, or you can just go and search it up manually. Now, this is the card shop I built with NJ. It's I just got wet. It's pretty cool. It's supposed to be kind of like Yugi's grandpa's shop. Now, these are all display. Someone did take this and that, which was a Blue Eyes and a structure deck for Blue Eyes. So we still have to figure that out. And the cards obviously won't show up because they won't show up for me. And you come over here and you talk to Chris, which is also another YouTuber, and I will leave his channel in a link down below. And we sometimes record together, so it's as you have seen from my other videos. So you talk to Chris, and he has all these deck boxes and a card binder you can get, right? And then you talk to Yugi, and he'll give you a quest, which is the quest right here. And then he'll give you a winged Kuriboh at the end of the quest. So then, when you want to spend your credit to go to packs, in which I have 10. It costs 10 for the Legend of Blue Eyes year 2000. So I'm going to go ahead and buy that. Drag it to my inventory. Close out. See as my diamonds are gone. And then I'll open it. When it's opened, it'll get a red slash through it saying it's opened, and you won't be able to access this anymore. Like, you won't be able to put cards back into it. So, I got the Furious Sea King, Armail, Kumutoko, Misaki the Legendary Swordsman, Taihon, Armored Starfish, Tripwire Beast, and Reaper of the Cards, and Celtic Guardian. The only thing that remotely stands out right here is Reaper of the Cards, for me. I really have bad luck when it comes to this stuff. So let's go ahead and put that up here, and then we'll do that later. But I just wanted to show off everything here. There is an upstairs that you can go through here and go upstairs. And then there's another NJ and another wolf, or a Blackwing Dragon. And they're sitting here. And he's like, I told you I would win. He's like, the deck has to be against the rules. Yeah. NJ set up the custom NPCs, so he's pretty funny when it comes to that stuff. I don't think Black approves of that one setup right there, though. I don't think. And when we do have tournaments, we will have a duelist trade fair, which after every pack comes out, we'll have a duelist trade fair, and after every tournament, we might have one every now and then after every tournament. Because after every tournament, we'll put in a new card pack, and after every card pack is out, we'll do a trade fair, which people can set up stands right here. They have to reserve a spot. And they have to talk to me to reserve a spot. So they can set up a stall, and they can trade, and they can put up cards for sale depending on rarity, and, you know, just, or you can trade in based on rarity, either way. It's really cool. It's a really cool idea, I think. And this is pretty much this. Now, what I'm talking about when I say Edo Pro, it's a dueling nexus. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download that in the links in the mod packs on my Discord. And then I'll also put a link in the description if you just don't want to go to my Discord for some reason, which I don't know why. It's the best place on earth. It's very conversational. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do this, and then I'm going to quickly go to the screen like this, and then it'll take me here. And this is Edo Pro once you download it and everything. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to decks. And then this is my custom deck I built just for fun, so ignore that. And I'm going to go to Codebreaker, and you right-click to remove. So I'm going to remove all of these, because you start with a bunch of structure decks in your inventory in here. So then what you want, you can search any cards. So like you click search right here, and you type in Blue Eyes, and you click search. Click search. No. There it is. Click blue, and you click search. And then cards will pop up. You can literally search up any card. Almost any card, I do believe. Actually, it might be every card in the game. So, like, you put here, and you just drag it. You click and you drag. Left click. And then you can click, right click to discard them out of your deck. And then you got extra and sides. We will be having 1v1 duels for tournaments, just 1v1, one round. And then in the final round, for the finalists, we will have, for the final two, we will have a 1 out of 3. So that'll be good. And then you rename it here, and if you just have any questions about like the deck editing and stuff like that, on Edo Pro. I will be happy to explain. Whew. So next, once you got your deck already, you'll go to servers and then you'll search up the room. You'll search up the room, whichever who you're dueling with, and then whoever wants to duel, make sure everyone knows you're dueling. And then you'll search up the room, blah 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 blah, and it'll pop up. But you have to click refresh because we're all going to be dueling on EU Central Casual. So, and then a bunch of things will pop up. That's why you type in, because it's all public. So you're going to type in the name of the person on here. So you'll have to ask them personally what their name is. Or you can go look at the leaderboards, either way. So it's pretty self-explanatory. This was just a quick little update video on this server and this series we're going to be doing. So we're going to start with the Saga of Blue Eyes tournament, and I think I'm going to go through the cards that are in the Saga of Blue Eyes and choose I'd say 3 cards for the runner-up, 3rd place, and 1st place um, prizes, and everyone else just gets like a participation award, I guess. I don't know. But you do have to spend credits to enter the tournament, I would think, eventually, once everyone starts getting more and more credits. You save up. It won't be too much. You just have to spend like 5 credits to enter the tournament. And that'll go into an NPC called the Banker that I'm going to have NJ make. And he's going to collect all the community money from all the different factions and all the different duelists, and that will go into a community fund that will actually pay for cards in the Minecraft server, which isn't like actually how it works, but at the same time it's more of a roleplay aspect, I would say. But yeah, that is what we're doing currently on this server. And I do have other series going, kind of like Pixelmon and Naruto, and I do also do live streaming and episodes of Dragon Ball Z Kakarot and other PS4 games. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should play, like Roblox or anything like that, it's just let me know, and I'll play pretty much everything. I really don't dislike any game at all, unless it's educational. Oh my god, that's pretty much it. If it has math, I'm good. I need to put Windows in here. I do. So yeah, this was just a quick little update video, not a too long video. I didn't get a chance to record all of yesterday technically because I am recording at like 5:13 in the morning, and I didn't get to record yesterday at all because I had technical difficulties with my OBS studio, and at the same time I had a lot of IRL stuff to do, and there's just a bunch of crap going on. But at the same time, I am trying my hardest to upload for you guys. I just didn't get a chance yesterday, so please forgive me. Yeah. So, I didn't get Pot of Greed. I didn't get anything like that. No blue eyes, no red eyes, no Gaia, no nothing. It's terrible. But, yeah. I do also have, if you type this in, type in a letter, and then backspace, you'll see the rest of the cards you have. Which I have Gaia the Dragon Champion, I just don't have Cursed Dragon or Gaia the Fierce Knight, so it doesn't really do me a lot of good, if you know what I mean. It is a good card for trading, though. So I might either wait until I have it, because I don't know what deck I'm trying to specifically go for. But you can't really do much with only one card pack, so we'll probably do the tournament to start off the series to just, like, name a king of games, you know? And, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you want to get on the series, leave a comment in general if you just want to ask me a question, and we will be doing more series as time goes on. If you have any suggestions for any modded series for Minecraft or anything like that we should do, then just shout me out, and I will answer you quickly as possible. So, we'll be ending the video here. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, people. Yeet.